Sending. Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to learn how to sort MySQL table data in ascending and descending order with pagination by using Ajax. In one of our previous tutorial on Laravel we have already discussed how to implement pagination in Laravel using Ajax. But in this part we'll not only learn pagination in Laravel, but also we will also see how to sort data in ascending and descending order with pagination using Ajax. This is because if we have sort table column data, then there are large amount of data, then that data must be loaded in pagination format. So here we have again discussed pagination in Laravel with sorting of table column data using Ajax. Now let's start discussing this topic. So this is our testing database, and here we have one post table. We will load data on Webpage, and do data sorting and pagination operation using Laravel with Ajax. This is our Laravel working folder. Here first we want to make database connection. We have go to config folder, and under this we have open database.php. Under this file we have to define MySQL database connection property like host set to localhost, database name set to testing, username set to root and password set to blank. After for making database connection here we want to open .env file, and here also we have defined MySQL database connection property like host set to localhost, database name set to testing, username set to root, and password set to blank. Here we have already make pagination controller under app/http/controllers folder. So we have opened this controller file, and here we have write use statement with database. It is used for do most database operations in our Laravel application. Under this first we have write function index. This function has been called if we have directly called base URL/pagination in browser, then this method has been called. Under this method we have write $data variable is equal to database class object with table method, and under this method we have write posts table. This method will make select query. Here we have add one more method order by with two argument like id, and ascending. This method will add order by clause in select query. After this we have add one more pagination method with 5 as argument. This method will paginate the given query into a simple paginator. This code will make query like select star from posts table, order by ID in ascending order, with limit 5 data, and it will execute this query, and return data has been stored under this $data variable. Below this we have write return statement with view method, and under this we have write pagination view file name, and compact function with data variable. This code will load pagination.blade.php file with data get from this compact data variable. This function create array containing variable, and their values. Now we have moved to write code in view file which we have already created under resources/view folder, so we have open file. And in this we have already included jQuery and Bootstrap library. Here we have make one HTML table with 3 table column like ID, title, and description. In ID and title table column, we have add class attribute is equal to sorting. We will use this class attribute as selector in jQuery code. In both ID and title column, we have add data sorting type attribute is equal to ascending order. In this data attribute, we have store sorting type. We will use this attribute value for sorting data. In ID table column we have add one more data column name attribute is equal to ID. In this attribute we have store table column name ID. We will use this attribute value in jQuery code. Same way in title table column, we have add one more data column name attribute is equal to post title. This data attribute value also we will use in jQuery code. Here in ID table column, we have defined span ID is equal to ID icon. In this tag we will display ascending and descending icon. Same way in here in title table column, we have defined span ID is equal to post title icon. In this tag we will display ascending and descending icon. Here we have already created one more view file like pagination data.blade.php. In this file we will load posts table data under this file. So here we want to display posts table data, so here we have write at the rate for each loop with $data as $row variable. First we want to end for each loop. For this here we have write at the rate end for each. By using this statement we can close this for each loop. Under this loop, in first column we want to display post ID. So here we have write open and close curly bracket with $row with ID. It will print post ID details under this column. In second column we want to print post title data. So here we have write open and close curly bracket, and between this we have write $row variable with post title table column. In last column we want to print post description data, so here we have write open and close curly bracket, and between this we have write $row variable with post description. This code will print posts data in paginate form. Now we want to print pagination link for go to next or previous page records. For here we have write open and close curly bracket, and between this we have make unescaped block, and between this we have write $data variable with links method. This method will print pagination link on web page. Now we have go to pagination.blade.php file, and here for display pagination data.blade file data here, we have write at the rate include statement with view file name pagination data. By using this code it will display pagination data.blade.php file data here. That means it will display paginate data with pagination link. Now we want to set root for load pagination data on web page, so we have go to roots folder, and open webpage.php file. Under this we have write root class with get method with two argument like /pagination, and pagination controller at index method. So when we have write pagination in browser then it will called index method of pagination controller. Now friends, here in browser, we have write base URL /pagination, So here we posts table data on web page in pagination format, and below we can see pagination link. Now we have checked this link working or not, so we have click on one link. After click table data has been changed, it has load particular page data under table which we can see on web page. So this way we can implement simple pagination in Laravel. Now we want make pagination and data sorting in Laravel using Ajax functionality. For this we have go to pagination.blade.php file, and here we have defined one input type is equal to hidden, with name and ID is equal to hidden page, and value is equal to 1. Under this field we have store page number. This variable value will be changed when user click on pagination link, and that link number will be assigned to this field value. After this we have defined one more input field is equal to hidden, name and ID equal to hidden column name, value is equal to ID. Under this field we have store table column name. This field value will be changed when user click on particular table column. Below this we have write input type is equal to hidden, name and ID is equal to hidden sort type, and value is equal to ascending. This field value also change when user click on table column for data sorting. For this here we have make one fetch data function with 3 argument like page, sort type, and sort by. This function will fetch data with sorting and pagination feature. Under function we have write Ajax Request. Under this first we have write URL option set to /pagination controller /fetch data method. With 3 get variable like page is equal to page, sort by is equal to sort by variable, and sort type variable is equal to sort type variable. This URL send fetch data request to controller with variable in get variable. Now we have write success callback function. This function has been called if request completed successfully. This function also received data from server script. Under this function we have write $with table body field with HTML method. Under this method, we have write data variable. This code will assign HTML code to this table body field. Now first we have moved to data sorting, so in jQuery code, we have write $document with on method. Under this method we have write click event, with table column class sorting. So when user click on particular table column for data sort in ascending and descending format, then this block of code will execute. Under this we have write column name variable is equal to $this with data method. Under this we have write column name. This code will fetch value from data column name attribute. Below this we have write order type variable is equal to $this with data method. Under this we have write sorting type. This code will fetch value from data sorting type attribute. After this we have define reverse order variable is equal to blank value. Now we have write if statement, and under condition is equal to ascending. If this condition true, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block we have write $this with data method with 2 argument. In first argument we have write name sorting type, and in value we have write descending. This code will change value of data sorting type attribute. After this we have write reverse order variable is equal to descending. Here we have defined this value to this variable. Now we have write $with span id get from column name variable, with icon.html method. This method will add this HTML code to id icon or post title icon field. Below this we have again write if statement, and under condition we have write order type variable is equal to descending. If this condition true, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block we have write $this with data method with 2 argument. In first argument we have write name sorting type, and in value we have write ascending. This code will change value of data sorting type attribute. After this we have write reverse order variable is equal to ascending. Here we have defined this value to this variable. Now we have write $with span id get from column name variable, with icon.html method. This method will add this HTML code to id icon or post title icon field. Below this we have write $with hidden field id hidden column name with value method. Under this we have write column name variable. This code will assign this variable value to this hidden field. After this we have write $with hidden field id, hidden sort type with value method. Under this we have write reverse order variable. This code will assign this variable value to this hidden field. Now we have write variable page is equal to with hidden field id, hidden page with value method. This code will fetch value from this field, and store under page variable. Now we have called fetch data function with 3 argument, like page variable, reverse order variable and column name variable. This function will fetch sorting data, and display on web page. Same way for pagination. Here we have write $with document selector with on method, and under this we have write click event with pagination class anchor tag selector. So when we have click on pagination link, then this block of code will execute. Under this we have write event.prevent default method. This method will stop to refresh web page. Below this we have write page variable is equal to $the selector with attribute method, and under this we have write href with split method, and under this we have write page equal to with 1 index. Here by using attribute method we have get the URL of particular pagination link, and from that link we want to get page, and this page number has been get by using split method. After getting page number, we have write $with hidden field id hidden page with value method. Under this we have write page. Here we have assigned page variable value to this hidden field. Now we want to get column name, so here we have write column name variable is equal to with hidden field id, hidden column name with value method. Here we have get value of column name from this hidden field. Same way we had write sort type variable is equal to dollar with hidden field ID, hidden sort type with value method. This method fetch value of this hidden field, and store under the sort type variable. Now we have called fetch data function with 3 argument like page variable, sort type variable, column name variable. This function will send request to fetch data method of pagination controller. Now we have go to pagination controller, and here we have create fetch data function with $request argument. This function will receive Ajax request. Under this function we have write if statement, and under condition we have write $request variable with Ajax method. If this function received Ajax request, then it will execute if block of code. Under this method we have write $sort by variable is equal to $request variable with get method with sort by. It will get value of sort by get variable, and store under sort by variable. Below this we have write $sort type variable is equal to $request variable with get method. Under this we have write sort type. It will get value of sort type get variable. Now we have write $data variable is equal to database class object with table method, and under this method we have write posts table. This method will make select query. Here we have add one more method order by with 2 argument like $sort by variable, and $sort type variable. This method will add order by clause in select query. After this we have add one more pagination method with 5 as argument. This method will paginate the given query into a simple paginator. This code will make query like select star from posts table, order by according value of $sort by and $sort type variable, with limit 5 data, and it will execute this query, and return data has been stored under this $data variable. Below this we have write return statement with view method, and under this we have write pagination data view file name, and compact function with data variable. This code will load pagination.blade.php file with data get from this compact data variable. This function create array containing variable, and their values. Lastly we want to set root of this method, so we have go to web.php file, and here we have write root class with get method with 2 argument. In first argument we have write /pagination/fetch data, and in second argument we have write pagination controller at fetch data. So when this pagination/fetch data URL has been called, then it will called fetch data method of pagination controller. Now friends, first we have refresh web page, and after refresh of web page we can see posts data on web page in pagination format. Now we want to check Ajax code is working or not. First we want to check data sorting in ascending and descending order working or not. So here we can see data has been sorted in ascending order of ID table. Now want to get in descending order of ID table column, so here we have click on ID column. After click on column, data has been sorted in descending order of ID table column, and below we can see pagination link. Same way want to get data in ascending order again, so we have again click on ID table, column, so data has been sorted in ascending order according value of ID. Now we want to sort data according post title table, column, so we have click on post title table column. After click of table column, data has been sorted with pagination link in alphabetic order. So here data sorting in ascending and descending order working. Now we have click on pagination link. After click on pagination link, next page data has been loaded in table according data sorting. Here we can see Ajax data sorting nicely work with pagination in Laravel, and we can see any pagination link and sorting event load data on Webpage without refresh of Webpage. This has been done by using Ajax. So this way we can implement sorting of ascending and descending order data with pagination in Laravel using Ajax. If you have any query or input regarding this video tutorial, please comment your query or input in comment box, or if you like this video tutorial, please share with your friends, or even you can also share on social media also. If you want to get more update regarding our video tutorial, please subscribe our YouTube channel for get more update regarding release of future video. Lastly, keep watching our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video tutorial.